Hi everybody, welcome back to Astec. I'm Aaron Schoolfield, and today we're going to dive into the Drum Jogger. And Walter Bruning's here to help us talk more about it. You were here for about 41 years.
41 years, yes.
What did you do?
Well, I started out in service department, and I set up plants and started plants up in the field for 6-7 years. Then I went into the electric shop as an electrician, checking out plants on the pad here, and after that I went into sales, and I was a regional sales manager for about 15 years.
And how long did you get to retire for?
About a week.
About a week, because after that we got him back on at Astec as our training manager. So what are some of the benefits of the Drum Jogger for a contractor?
The main benefit is being able to slow rotate the drum during maintenance time when you want to change the tips and the shanks, and inspecting drums. That's extremely slow, unlike firing it with a big drive motor where you try to get it started and you try to stop it and it over rotates or it under rotates where you need to be. The Drum Jogger is designed for slow rotation to hit you exactly where you want it to be. I want to talk about the components of the Drum Jogger. The design was for speed and control of the drum, but it's extremely portable. And what we do is we put a hydraulic gear motor on the chain that drives the shaft on the large motor. We put a clamp on here. There's no drilling in the frame. All it is you clamp it to the frame. It makes it extremely portable, so you can move it from drum to drum and different sites. We use the exact same hydraulic power pack as we use to open the outer shell door. So it makes it extremely easy to open and run the drive as far as running the hydraulic gear motor. Also, we have a guard. We have it off today, but we took the guard off so you can see the chain and how we mount the sprockets for ease of installing and purpose.
What other benefits does the Drum Jogger offer?
When you're in a northern territory where you have power demands and you don't have plant power, or if you fire the big motor, it hits you with a huge power demand as far as the power bill goes. That's the main key to being able to use it during the winter maintenance time.
Yeah. What type of drum will the Drum Jogger work on?
The Drum Joggers are designed to go with a double barrel only, because we've got them designed for the sprockets to hit to fit the head shaft on the motor. So they're mostly designed for the drum on the double barrels.
So that's basically what the Drum Jogger is, and it's a simple innovation solution that we've designed here at Astec to help our contractors maintain and depending on the location that you're in, you could save a little energy without having to fire up your plant. If you guys want to learn more about it, please visit our website or reach out to your parts rep.